I am in Pittsburgh today. I'm visiting a friend. There's actually a lot of things to do in Pittsburgh. There's the funicular. We're going to do some bike riding, some walking around the city. There's a lot of bars, sports bars, stadiums. So yeah, I'm just going to check out the city and see what we can get into. Christina's back home dealing with our cats. It's a 6-hour drive, 6 or 7 hour drive from where we are in New York. And yeah, it's just a quick little trip. So welcome to the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Our first stop was the funicular. This is the Monongahela Incline. The Monongahela Incline is 154 years old, and it's one of only 2 in Pittsburgh. This is the Monongahela Funicular.
That's the name of the river.
Oh, Monongahela Funicular. These words, they sound Native American. I'm gonna need to speed this up, time lapse. These 2 inclines might not be operational for much longer because apparently they break down a lot because they're so old. And they are very slow. When you're sitting on it, it's going probably about 5-10 miles per hour at max. But it was a different experience. It's not like a train. So we continued with a bike ride through the city. And this was a great way to see the city. It's better than driving, really, because you get to see things in much more detail. And we rode bikes along the waterfront. It was very beautiful. Today, some of the streets are closed because of there's a bike riding thing, so we're riding bikes. I'm going so fast. This is an electrically assisted bike, so the motor engages and takes over when I'm riding. He's fast. Look at me, I'm an obnoxious tourist. A tourist in the wild. So this area is called the Strip, or the Strip District, and this was just a nice bagel place that we stopped at for breakfast. But yeah, this area is also called the Terminal, or rather this is the Strip District Terminal, and there's a lot of different shops here. Of course, there's team stores, there's sports bars, there's restaurants, markets, all sorts of things for the locals and for tourists too. It was a great place to walk around. There's some unique buildings and things around. There's also this Asian market with ramen and different types of food, and they had vending machines that kind of reminded me of Japan, and they had some posters and anime stuff, which I thought was cool, of course. So after we walked through the terminal a little bit, we just decided to start riding back because it was raining and the weather was getting a little crazy. So it was time to move on. I see a lot of similarities to Portland.
I've never been, but
it's like a vibe thing.
Yeah.
It's calm and chill. It's people are polite. I mean, you could probably say the same about a lot of places. We're going to get on the German beer. We biked all the way down through the Color Park, and now we're stopping and getting a beer. Exploring a little bit more of Pittsburgh than I thought. Oh, you also stopped at the High Line. Lager, Dunkel, Weizen, Hopfen, Weizen, Schupel. Brust. So Pittsburgh is known for having 446 bridges, and it is a steel legacy city. So there's a lot of steel production, and there's like cool little steel things all around. Oh, this is a good view of the steel thing right here. All right, here we go. This is Station Square. We're here getting breakfast. Yesterday after we got some beer, just hung out. So there really was nothing else after that. but yeah, this is the last day in Pittsburgh. I'm gonna be heading out. So we're gonna get it just a little bit more Pittsburgh, and that's it. All the way up there is where I was staying. All right, GC. So that was the Grand Concourse, a landmark in Pittsburgh. John A. Roebling. Here in 1846, Roebling built the first wire rope suspension bridge to carry a highway over the Monongahela River. He also designed a bridge across the Allegheny, a railroad bridge at Niagara Falls, and the Brooklyn Bridge. The only one that matters. Ho, 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 ho. There are 3 sister bridges in Pittsburgh. There's the Roberto Clemente, the Andy Warhol, and the Rachel Carson Bridge. And they also are the 6th Street, 9th Street, and 7th Street bridges, respectively. There's a train that is called the subway if you're in one part of it, the light rail if you're in another part of it, and the trolley if you're in another part of it. That's it for today's video. I'm leaving Pittsburgh now. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know if you like these solo videos. We've only done a couple of these. To sum it up, Pittsburgh was awesome. I mean, there's a lot of things to do. There's biking. I mean, we did the bikes along the water. It was beautiful. There's a lot of food places. There's a lot of cool little attractions, little like things on the side of the road, like those metal works. Because steel work was a big part of what Pittsburgh is all about. So, yeah, so it was great to learn about Pittsburgh, and I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!